Okay, now what we do first is what are functions? To make a function, you have to write DEF first.
It starts from a function.
Yes, and we call the function name as a NOA special function. And then it says a NOA special function. Then we can say print. It's something unique. So this is one function. I want to call this function, but I want to call it from another file. So I can say here NOA NOAA special function, and I can run it. I can also call it from another file. I can also call it from another folder. So it will give me this is special function. It's something unique. Let's say I want to write a few things. Let's say right there, print function ended. This is a regular print statement. And then after that, I can again call no special function. NOAH special function. And I play this now. So it will make first print for this is no special function. This is unique. And no, if you could move it a little up, please. So we could say,
Okay.
yeah. So it's saying like it's no special function. It does something unique. It's a regular print statement. This is no special function. It does something unique. So it is printing it two times because we are calling the function here on the line number 7, and then we are writing the function in line number 8. So Noah, can you make an add function also to add two numbers?
I can also add something to this.
Okay.
You can name it whatever. You can name it like cool, what or anything. Fun. If you do fun, then you need to change these to fun, and they'll still work when you run it. It just changes. It just changes the definition of the function. You can just change name it whatever you want. Just make sure to put underscore special function then the brackets.
Okay. Nice.
And also remember to always start with def to a function, or it won't be a function.
Okay. So if you see this one, and like we are calling an add function, we are giving it the value 5 and 3, and the result of adding 5 and 3 will be right there. Yes, in the bottom. So result of adding 5 and 3 is 8. If I want to make like I want to call the function again but with the different values, I can say result 2 is equals to, then I can add the function with the 10 and 20. It is supposed to give me the answer. Now the result 2 will store the value of 30 because of the function add. So this is why we make the function. So there are two parameters. First parameter is a, and the second parameter is a b, and we are giving it the 5 argument. So argument 5 or value 5 is storing in the parameter a, and value 3 is storing in the parameter b. And finally, we are getting the results of adding 6 and 3 as a output of the function result. The result is a output of the function again, the different argument, and then it's giving us the values like this.
You could also make any type. You could also add more results, like result 3. You just need to add You could also put negative, but just still make it like add -5 and 0, because that would be just -5.
Yes, Noah raised a very good point. So you can also write there negative values, positive values, whole numbers. So it is not having any kind of limit. Same Python code, but in the form of modules. So there are some common functions, just like add. There's some built-in function. For example, let's say I want to find the like I have a name variable. Name is equals to, and then I write there Noah article. So I want to find the length of the spellings of no article. So I will just write the print small bracket. Length is a function now, and I can just write the string in it, and it is supposed to show me the output. Like say if I this now length is actually the function I'm using here. So it has the 12 character, including this space in it. So even you write space, that will count as a space. Okay, then similarly, we also have some other built-in function. Let's say print is also a function. Noah, can you print something just to show the audience about how print works?
So you
Yeah,
just
just
need to
like
put any. You
this.
could put something like name equals anything. I'm just gonna put
Yeah,
something like Bob or something, and then to print, you don't need to put something complicated. You could just put print, and then you could just do print Bob, and then it will print Bob. You could if you put it like this, you could just put it like or you could just work it with the regular one, but then also way more complicated. You just put hello, my name is, and put it in a bracket and then comma name.
yeah.
And this is
And I
hello,
want to add
my name
here
is
one
Bob.
more thing. You can also change it into any other functions. Just like upper is also a function. So you can change your name to capitalize uppercase. So can also. Okay, like we are writing capitalized, but we are not calling the function. So small brackets at the function, it's must. Then
And now we can see capitalize the name right in the bottom. So these are all how functions work. The key tips are remember to put define for them, and remember to use print, and always use brackets. If you need to use brackets when you before you do print after you type print, or print will not work. Same as after you write like fun special function or no special function or anything like that, you also need to put brackets at the end too. And this is all about functions. We'll see you in another video. Bye.
bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you later.